Hello and welcome to a new Behind the Window program. In this program, I will introduce a new welding and corner cleaning line to you. During the introduction, our VED engineer Mr. Mehmet will help me. The code of our new welding and corner cleaning line is CCL 1670 twin line. One 4-head welding machine and 2 corner cleaning machines work synchronously. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Mehmet for supporting me in this matter. Mr. Mehmet, I wonder why it was necessary to design such a line. Could you give us information about this?
Of course, Mr. Rai. First of all, we did such a study in line with a request from our customers. In our existing CCL 1660 line, we use a single welding machine and corner cleaning machine, and we had a cooling station in between. Normally our capacity was 350 frames for our welding machine and 200 frames for corner cleaning. So there was a bottleneck here. In order to fully utilize the available capacity of the welding machine, we used a second corner cleaning station. In the meantime, we used the moving twin-line SA255 buffer line for feeding. In this way, after the welding process is finished in the welding machine, while the welding process is doing the first operation, the welding process can feed the second line to do the second operation. In this way, we will fully utilize the welding machine capacity without any waiting.
Yes, as I understand it, the welding and the processing line had the same capacity. It could produce 350 frames. UT on this line, the existing line, the CCL 1661 line, there was only one CNC corner cleaning. This single line CNC corner cleaning, it could not clean 350 frames. Therefore, it became necessary to install a second corner cleaning. Of course, when you put the second corner cleaning, you also made a feeding line. You made the automatic station SA255 feeding line. And does this line work synchronized automatically?
Yes, it can also work synchronously if you want to use full capacity. If desired, it can be used as CCL 1661 in single mode if it does not want to use full capacity. But if it wants to increase the capacity, we can run these two lines automatically synchronized.
Yes, if desired, it can work with a single CNC as a single line when it works at low capacity. But when the maximum capacity is to be reached, it can also work as an automatic line with 2 corner cleaning machines and a single 4-corner welding machine. Yes, I see here that you have just designed this line, the feeding line. Does this feed line work in synchronization with this welding line, or with the corner cleaning line, or the corner cleaning line? Synchronized with the corner cleaning machine?
Actually, we'll get the signal here without any burrs, because it will inform us which station is empty or not. Whichever station is empty, it will hold the finished frame on it and carry it to the empty station. In other words, it will feed the communication through corner cleaning machines.
Yes, as far as I understand, the source and processing line had the same capacity. It could produce 350 frames. However, on this line, i.e., the existing line, there was only one CNC corner cleaning machine on the CCL 1661 line. This single CNC corner cleaning machine on the line could not clean 350 frames. Therefore, it became necessary to add a second corner cleaning machine. Of course, when you added the second corner cleaning machine, you also set up a feeding line. You created the automatic station SA255 feeding line. Is this line operating synchronously and automatically?
Of course, a line made in line with customer demands can already be made in this way, as demand comes in for improvements.
I congratulate you again for your work. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you again in new endeavors.
Thank you very much. On behalf of me and my team, thank you too.
As far as I understand, whatever our profile dimensions and frame dimensions are in the CCL 1661 line, they will be exactly the same in this line. So, do we have a plan to install this new line in an enterprise? Is there a process about it?
Yes, there is, in the coming period, after these software works are completely finished and we have done our final tests, our customer in Europe has requested this. Therefore, this will probably go there. Afterwards, we will put it in our catalog in line with the demands, and mass production will start according to the demands.
After this nice meeting, we now want to do a demo on our line. I would like to invite Mr. Anil, our technical service engineer, here to do the demo. Mr. Anil completed the demo work and brought us the first sample. We are examining the surfaces and corners. As far as I can see, I see a very high-quality corner cleaning and welding process. What do you think, Mr. Mehmet? Yes, the surfaces are quite high quality, a colored profile. It's very nice. Thank you, Mr. Anil, for your work. We have completed our demo work. Now we want to move on to the question and answer part of our program. We are waiting for your questions in the chat section on YouTube channel.